Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to verify parental controls on Epic Games. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer and log in with your account. If you are on a phone or tablet, you can also use the Epic Games website. In the top right corner, click on your account name, then choose Account. This will take you to your account settings in a new window. On the left side, find the section called Parental Controls and click on it. Here you will see the settings that help manage what content can be accessed. If this is your first time setting it up, you will need to create a 6-digit PIN. This PIN will be used anytime you want to change parental control settings. Enter the PIN and confirm it. Once verified, I go back to the parental control settings page. Now you can adjust options such as purchase restrictions, playtime limits, and communication controls. To save any changes, you will be asked to enter your PIN again. That is how you verify and set up parental controls on Epic Games. Thanks for watching.